this thing even recording? Oh snap. What I'm doing. You know, same old me. Short hub, quick release, 3-inch deep dish. Do I even know how to do this? Oh, got the car back. Let's go. T30. Update. So I got these two. Oh, you see a star bolt. There's one for this GC owners out there. There's two there. Got them both loose. T30 is what I used. And then I don't know what to do at this point. I'm pretty sure you have to unplug that because that looks very important. Wait. Who is it? Oh. Shoot. Dude, I don't want to fuck this up, dude. I don't want to die. Okay, I gotta make a decision. Oh man, dang, dude, I don't want to die. Forgot the upload. What you do, you should push this green back as far back as you can, like this. Well, you know, you see it, it's like push back. It says it right there on the arrow, push that way. What you do, you just press this all the way down and press out. I don't know, like just keep trying there, it'll come up, trust me. Or don't trust me, actually. I think, shoot, that's the, I'm pretty sure that's the clock spring. Or maybe that's back is, shoot, I don't know, dude. I'm pretty sure. Do I need to unconnect that? Oh, I think I do. So I think I need to unconnect the white one, get a 17 miller bolts. I think I should be good from there. I don't know, I'll give you guys an update. Go to the gym. So you want to explain to them what happened? You want to explain to them? So I guess when you use something like this, bigger is better, right? You know, bigger is better. Size matters to loosening this crap.
There you go, here you go.
I shoot, it's gonna work.
Yeah, I'm gonna cry.
Maybe is it far out?
Hey guys, Lucas here. You're just Luke.
Is it coming out? I can't tell. I'm scared that I might pop out too, and I'm still gonna hit my face.
I'll just do all. Just hit your face then, okay?
Dude, I don't know. Dude.
It doesn't seem like it's budging. Are you sure?
No, it's supposed to come out. Like, if I take out this bolt, then what's it gonna do?
Well, let's just pry it.
I'm gonna pry how? I think we should be careful though, cause like it's plastic, isn't it? Like, isn't not the only thing it's gonna break. Oh shoot, my turn signal. Oh, that's not my turn signal. That's my freaking washer thing. I want to make sure I don't want to root into my freaking. Holy crap, dude. I should have like a freaking GoPro on my phone. Wait, isn't my clock spring freaking attached to this? So is it like something I have to disconnect or something? So I don't know how this is gonna work. Like, how's this gonna? Is it? Whoa, where's the nose? Is it?
I don't know if you can do that.
Yeah, I don't know either.
Just put it in like one of those like little cracks and then start like wiggling.
Hold on, let me take off this note real quick. And this note. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Let's see. I want to see. Holy guys, this is a big long note, dude. So what's supposed to come off again? Like, I'm pretty sure it's... Like, was it?
Videos are literally quite mad, dude. The video sucks.
Oh yeah. This video's gonna suck ass. So I guess this was like... I'm pretty sure it's this gray thing, but I don't know if this one comes off too. Oh, I think it's this gray thing, and this is...
There's no other screws.
I mean, there's no other screws. Like, if you look behind here, like, there's nothing more. Alright, what happened? We cut this. Oh, shoot. Wrong side again. Dang it. Cut this. Shoot. It's under. Oh, this is horrible lighting. This is horrible lighting. This is just horrible lighting. Alright, you know what? You know, we remember from memory, man. Update. Yeah, that sounds weird. I got the wheel on. I couldn't record last night because it was too dark. But this is how it looks. Sport hub. Quick release. Looks super rad. I didn't connect this. But those are the bolts I was talking about yesterday. It's gonna focus. I think it's focused. But yeah, that's the butt. It was super sketch, but whatever. I just cut it. Cut it. Okay. I mean, it doesn't really matter because it clicks back on. But yeah, it's super sick. And then with that crap. Are you gonna stay? Yes, not. I guess you can kind of see. Damn. It goes in like, oh shoot. Boom. Alright, this is that's a good enough update video. Oh man, rest in peace. Now stop staying. Okay, bye.